Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the bin behavior on your Roomba J5. So, for example, if you want to change the actions that your Roomba makes when the the trash bin is full, what you're going to do is open up the iRobot Home app, then select your Roomba, and scroll down to Product Settings, click on that, then click on Clean Preferences, and select bin full behavior. So, for example, you can either select keep clean when full, so it will complete its actions even if the bin is full, or it will stop what it's doing and just pause while the bin is full. So you can select one of these options, and once you hear a chime on your Roomba, that means it's applied, and you can exit out, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.